Hey guys, welcome to Stock Sniper Trading. It's your boy Ronnie, and we're just gonna get situated, guys, and we're gonna get started scalping the markets, guys. Welcome. So we killed it, guys. Today, killed the pips. Okay. So last night after Sunday night forecast, guys, we went live. We did a London bonus session. It was a great session, guys. We caught almost 200 pips, scalping US30, NAS, and gold. It was a solid session last night, guys. And then Dave in the morning, you guys killed it in New York session. We just finished our webinar with our snipers. Yeah, what a great man, guys! For real, thank you for everyone that joined that webinar. It was awesome with the snipers. That's why we're running a little late, guys, because we were just having a great time in there. Eventually, we're going to be just live with our snipers, guys. So if you want to get in and get with the team, this is the time, guys. So if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, like these videos. If you want to join the sniper team, www.stocksnipertrading.com. You get everything for $29.99 a month. You get the mentorship from Dave and I, private webinars on Zoom. You get trade ideas throughout the day. You get a VIP chat room with the team. You get online tutorials and courses and everything, guys. Okay, so what's going on? Aldo, what's good? Blue Lori, what's going on? Babylon, teach me to fish. Yeah, I'll teach you to fish, and then you can eat all day. Okay, so you'll be eating pips, guys. You're going to be get full off of pips. But let's get started, guys. Okay, so I'm going to look at gold. I'm going to chart gold real quick. We're going to do top down. Okay, so we can just, I can see it's breaking down. Like we just did like our live webinar, guys. So just real quick, I just want to set it up for you. Then I'll show you guys the top down. But gold is right in here. Okay, so we're looking for an impulse break right now, guys. Okay, I'll show you where it can go down to right now off the hop. Okay. Okay, if gold breaks 1811, we can start to see it coming down to here. Okay, and this is going to be your impulse breakdown. Okay, so remember there's impulse, then our next candle is the confirmation with retest. But right now, we could be setting up for a sell. Okay, so I can see consolidation leading into Tokyo right here on the 5-minute candles right there. So that's a no trade area for me. Okay, what I'm watching for is a breakdown here. This candle right now breaking will be the impulse. Okay, but what we're looking for is we're looking for a direction. We're looking for an impulse break right there, and then we're looking for maybe a pullback to come back up into this zone where we'll get now more order flow, more sellers. Yeah, there's our impulse break. Okay, if you guys like the impulse trade, guys, there is traders that love impulse. You know, if you take that impulse, it could continue to drop, but that all comes part of the game with impulse candles. Okay, so for traders that love impulse candles, and I know where you're at, I love them too myself. Okay, so and then you're looking for stop loss, place above that wick up there to be safe. Okay, and then that's our next resistance area. Okay, so this candle's got 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. We'll see how it closes and where the retest is, but gold can be bearish. Okay, so if we draw trend lines, I can start to see it breaking down. Okay, so you can have it starting from like up here. You can catch a wick if you want, or the bodies. You can catch the bodies, whatever your preference is, and then the wick could be just an impulse breakout, but you watch where the body closed. It closed inside the trend line. Okay, so gold already, okay, starting out bearish. And I'm gonna wait for the next candle. But if you want to take these impulse trades, guys, you got to understand the pips. 1811 break down to 1810.38. Okay, so that's about a 6-pip move impulse. Okay, and then if you're looking to scale out, again, you got broker spreads and things like that. You got to take that into account. Okay, but what I'm looking for is for the impulse breakdown, maybe buyers to push it right back up. And I want to see, is this going to be a fake out candle, come right back up and turn bullish, or are we going to close below here and get that retest candle, and maybe we can get into a confirmed sell order. Okay, and let me just chart US30 real quick. US30 could be making a move. Okay, so US30 made its move, but we're in this territory. Okay, see how the price is just trading around sideways? Guys, just box that in right now. Okay, we know price action is it's got 3 directions. Either inside this box it'll consolidate, or we're gonna start to break out bullish or break down bearish. Okay, and if it starts breaking down, guys, we got our targets right here. This will be TP1. TP2 will be right here. Okay, I can set this chart up like real quick. So I'm looking for maybe a sell entry right here when this thing starts breaking down right here. Okay, but I'm not taking trade until it meets criteria. Okay, just setting the box up here. Okay, because this could bounce around and fake us out. And then we're looking for buys at the top. Okay, if we start to break up here. And then all this choppiness, I'm not trading that, guys. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be relaxed. I'll let the market makers price action do what it's got to do, and I'll just wait for the breakout or breakdown. Okay, so that's right there, real quick, how US30 can be set up. Okay, let's go back to gold. Okay, so what do we got here? Okay, so candle action came down, price action came down to 1810.31. That was the impulse break. Okay, we got this candle's going to close right now. Okay, so the body is below. Look for continuation or retest right now. See how it opened up green? It's coming up. Okay, as soon as we get rejected right there. Okay, watch for a wick form. Okay. And guys, it could be getting exhausted at the bottom. Okay, so RSI is at 30, so it could be coming back into this area. Okay, so you guys also got to know when to take trades, where to take trades at. Okay, but sellers could start to push this down and decrease this, like it could fill this wick and drop down to here before it starts to reverse again. Okay, so you see how we got rejected right now? It got rejected, it's holding resistance up there, and now what we're looking for is a wick fill to come down and fill this wick. Gord, what's going on? You had a very profitable day. Congratulations, bro. You're killing it. So Gord's one of our members. He's he's doing really well. So congrats, bro. Okay, so we're looking now for price action to come and fill this wick. But again, guys, like when you're getting into this territory, 30 or below, but RSI could break down below 30. Could be a pull back to cool off the RSI, and sellers could come in and hammer it down. But we're still underneath this trend line. Okay. So I'm just gonna get rid of this arrow. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'll put that right back. I just want to get rid of this arrow. Okay, and then what we can also do is we go to a higher time frame. Let's check the 15-minute candles on gold. Let's see what's behind us. Okay, so look at the 15-minute candle behind us. It opened, that was that fake out. Okay, remember it opened, it went all the way bullish up here, 1812.40, and then a long rejection wick. So now it's coming down. All we got to do is just break that low of this 15-minute candle, and then we're going to drop down to 1810, possibly down to 1809.36. Okay, so we just need this momentum to keep dropping on this 15-minute candle. Look at the 30. 30 is coming down bearish too, and 30 just cracked below 50, so the 30-minute candle is in bearish territory, so we could start to see some increased selling pressure. Just going to flip to that US30. Okay, so US30, it's getting ready for its impulse break right here. And I always put on my RSI indicator, I always put a psychological line right at 50, right in the middle, guys, okay? I like to see if we're breaking below 50 and we get a nice bearish candle coming down, because then we could get some nice follow through, okay? So US30 is breaking right here. Okay, this could be impulse, guys. Impulse again. We got a minute 40 on the candle. So if you guys want to wait to see how it closes, that's confirmation. Okay. And then this will be TP1 down here, 34,921, breaking right here, 940. Okay, so that could be close to a 20 pip move. And then we're looking for price action to get down here. Okay. What's going on, Frank? What are you saying? JC, are we in a gold trade right now? Bill Jan, what's going on, bro? Gold trade, yep. Yeah, so I was going for a wick fill. There it goes, okay? So when I fill that wick, I'm looking for maybe an extension down to here. And I'm in this trade, guys. I'm in a sell. I bought that wick up there. I sold that retest right there. But I'm going to look to scale out a little bit, but I'm holding, okay? Because I want to see how this candle is going to close. 40 seconds. I want to see it break. If I can break below the low of the previous candle, then we could head down to here. If we break this 5-minute support, we could push down to here. Sometimes you just got to allow the candlesticks to do their thing, price action do their thing. We might get a pullback coming back up here, but if it starts to get rejected up here, then we're looking for maybe another possible entry. But again, the RSI, guys, was low down here, but we've seen RSI break below 30 and just dump, guys, okay? This is gold we're trading. It's fast, it's volatile, guys. Okay, so we got a new candle now. Okay, so it's going down bearish. All we got to do is come down with some more momentum and break these candles, these wicks right here, and it could drop right down to here. There it goes. Okay, boom. There's a take profit, guys. Okay, so that hit, that's a TP. Okay, so you can be scaling out some position right there, guys. Okay, see now how it hit? Okay, that red line, guys, that's why I tell you guys, that's a take profit, okay, all day. But that's why you could be scaling out a little bit, okay, you got a nice like 10 pip move down there. But what we're looking for is increased selling pressure. There, we need that break, guys. If we get that break, oh, this is going to be nice. Okay, has one more stop right here, guys. It could stop right in here. There it goes. There's the break. Okay, beautiful. See how we fill those wicks and we're continuing to the downside? Beautiful, guys. Guys, if you're new here, 27 viewers. Wow, this is awesome, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Like the channels, guys. We got a free Telegram group, guys. I'm going to post it right now. And I'm going to post that trade I was in. I just scaled out. I'm going to show you. I took a standard lot. It was good for, let me just see here. It's good for 57 bucks, okay? Almost 6 pips. I'm just going to show you, okay? Because I took some profits right there when it broke. Because I'm not going to get too greedy, guys. RSI is starting to get oversold. So this was just a quick scalp, just to start the day, right? Just to get our feet wet, okay? Grab some pips. But leave a runner too. You can leave a little small runner in case this continues to break down. But right there, that was a beautiful trade. 1811 down to 1810. Okay, you're looking at 11, 12 pip move. I got in on the candle here, but minus spreads and things like that, you know. 57 bucks I pocketed because I'm scared that this is going to start to reverse up here. Okay, so starting to form this rejection wick. It could be coming right back up to test this area of resistance and the trend line. Okay, US30, are we moving? US30, okay? Look at US30, guys, okay? So same thing that happened here, but look at the long rejection, guys. So we broke, closed below. This was the retest candle, come up and go all the way down, guys, okay? So you can't get greedy, guys. 34.940 all the way down to 912, guys. That's almost a 30 pip move, okay? So secure some profits, okay? Because look at the reversal that can happen. RSI is now reaching 50, but if this now momentum comes down further, guys, this is going to be really nice, guys. US30 sell here. Guys, congrats to you guys that got in on that one. Okay, so I'm just going to post in the group FX, guys. 1 second, guys, okay? Guys, let me know if you guys got any questions, okay? Let me know if you guys got any questions. We just started the call right away. Grab 10, 20 pips right off the hop, okay? So we're not fooling around here. But let me know if you guys got any questions. Okay, guys. So I just posted in the chat, guys, the free Telegram link. Okay, so it's Stock Sniper Trading FX in Telegram. It's a free group, guys. I suggest you get in there because we showed our trades that we're taking live, so you guys can see it with commissions and everything. Okay, so I just posted in there, guys, that I took that gold sell. Like, let me show you my entry on gold. I got in on a standard lot, guys, so just real quick. Like, it was a quick scalp, guys, quick scalp, okay? Because I know that RSI is starting to get overextended, but I sold the retest candle. I got in at 1810.82. So right there, I was buying that rejection candle coming down right here. So I took the sell there, and then I took profits at 1810.14. Right, look at the bottom of that wick. I got out at the bottom of that wick, okay, right there, and it secured me almost $70 US. Okay, just real quick, okay, and leave a little partial runner, continue moving down. Okay, but yeah, gold is going to continue to go down. We'll see where we get some support, where it's possibly going to reverse, but there we go. Yeah, $70. I can get dinner. I can order a few things. I might order Uber right now. Grab some. I feel like some pad thai. I feel like some chicken shrimp pad thai, guys. What you feeling? But yeah, just quick scalps, guys. You know, they add up. Okay. Because we're going to find some other place. Here's the reversal now on gold, okay? Could be reversing. But what we're looking for, this is a pullback, guys. Remember, the overall trend is bearish, right? So this could be coming back up to the trend line or possibly back into this order flow area. And then what we're looking for is, guys, we just went over it with the sniper crew in our webinar. We did the whole bearish family of candlesticks. So what we're looking for is possibly a bearish engulfing candlestick, maybe a shooting star getting rejected at a significant area of resistance, and we can continue this downtrend. But do you guys see why I scaled out? I took my profits. I was happy with $60-70, okay, on a quick scalp. I know it's not going to continue to go down on this play because RSI will correct itself right here for a little bit. But now what I'm watching is this price action is coming up. Is it going to start to get rejected now and continue to go down? That's what I'm checking out. Okay, so let's just check the US30. US30 similar. Okay, it came down. It got down to 34,912 right there. See how I identify that wick? Then we had buyers push it up. It closed right here. Now we're getting a bullish continuation candle coming off of this rejection wick. So what we're going to see on US30 is it going to come back up to this area, 34,938, like where we had that sell entry? And is it possibly going to get rejected up there and go down further? Because now look at the RSI, it's right at that 50, that psychological area. Anything can happen here. It can get rejected here and continue to go down, or buyers can start to push it back up and this thing can start to go bullish. But what is the overall trend on US30? Let's see, guys. So these are my 5-minute candlesticks. I'm just checking out the overall trend. Look, it's bearish. Look at where it started, all the way up here, okay? So if you kind of like connect where we're at, look at all the way down there. Look at, we're creating lower highs, okay? So when you do now some quick, some lines right up here, that's our next resistance. We're below there. Here's another area I target. And one more. That's good enough for me. Until price gets up there, then we'll start charting. But we could be going bearish on US30, guys, okay? We could be breaking down tonight. Maybe tonight's session we break down, lead into London, guys, okay? If I feel good, guys, we're going to do a live London session again tonight. But you guys better get these likes up, okay? 32 viewers. I want to see 32 likes on this call. And possibly we're going to run another London bonus session. And Dave is going New York tomorrow, guys. Shit's getting ridiculous here, okay? So we're giving you guys a lot of value, guys. So just all we ask in return is just please hit the likes and subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you want to trade live with us, okay? That's, that's all we ask for in return. Okay, so now you just got to allow price action to do its thing. Okay, RSI, it came up, it tested, and now it's going lower. So what we need is, I also use my RSI lines as support and resistance. Okay, not too many traders do this, but I like to see the previous low, like right there, and to see, can we break 40 support on our strength, and then it will go down further to our next support level. There we go. Look at the candlestick, guys. Beautiful. Guys, we just went over, for all the snipers in here on the webinar, this candle was bullish coming up here, high wick. Now it's coming down as a shooting star candle, guys. Remember, shooting star was our second most bearish candlestick that we learned. Okay, so coming down, all we got to do now is break this 5-minute support right here, 34,922, and we could come down and fill this wick, and we can get US30 down to 34,913 again. Okay, just we got to follow the volume, guys. We got to follow this red body. Okay, but price action is making a lower high off the top. We got to come down to create some lower lows. Or price action is going to trade sideways, consolidate before its next move, guys. Okay, but we got now 5 seconds left on this candle. Let's watch how it's going to close. Where's the volume going to close? It's a spin top candle right now, so that's indecision. But now we're continuing off of this spin top candle. All we got to do is just clear this area, and we're dropping. Okay, right here. Okay, I'm just going to check gold real quick. What's going on gold? Okay, gold, continue. Look at this drop, okay? So guys, every one of these red lines are profit targets, okay? So if you know why I set up these red lines, it's previous price action support levels, okay? So when they come down and they tap, if you want to scale out a little position, you're more than welcome to do that. Normally, when we trade gold, they're like 5 pip areas, but when the sessions start to get more volatile, like London, New York, then these open up to like 10 pip TPs. So TP1 will be 10 pip, TP2 will be 20 pip, TP3 will be 30 pip plus. Okay, but you got to understand we're trading the Tokyo session right now, so the volatility isn't really there. So, but each zone is good for about 5 pips. Okay, so see, don't get greedy, guys. When it comes down, you make sell order was up there. If you had a runner, just continue to grab something. Okay, because I'm watching for a reversal now. Okay. I want to see if price action is going to reclaim this trend. Okay, if it comes back up here and starts getting rejected, what it's going to do is RSI is going to go back up. We're going to come back and test this trend line and this area of resistance up here. But if the RSI comes up, then sellers under here will come back and pound it down. Then it gives it enough momentum to go back down to 30. Okay, but we got to watch that. Okay, so this is the bull pullback, the bullish pullback. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm just going to check out the chat. Marsham, do you have Trade Explorer on FF? Not sure what FF is. Funding, what is the FF? BB King is testing the 9 and the 50. Once it breaks under, still consider a sell. Yeah, so US30 under, yeah, bro. So underneath 922. Yeah, it's still bearish, okay? So we still have, if we break this RSI right here at 40, then yeah, we're going to continue to break down further on US30, guys, okay? So I'm bearish on US30, okay? Same with, like, let's see NASDAQ. NASDAQ, similar charts, guys, okay? So let me just clean this up. See, NASDAQ runs pretty similar to US30, okay? So we didn't chart this one in time, but it's similar to US30. Okay, so that's an area. Real quick, I'm just going to draw this box. Okay, guys, so this was the sell order right here at 9:10 when we started the call, just like the US30. Broke, here's your retest confirmation and coming down, and it's continuing. So now you can draw like a trend line from the top here. As long as we continue to make lower lows on the bottom, this will continue to drop. Here, if we break below 14,950 on NASDAQ, you're looking for your next profit to be at 14,938. That's a nice 10 pip drop right there. If we break below there, guys, this is where it's coming down to. It's going to come down to there and this area right here. Beautiful, okay? So I can start to sell, like, look for, are we below 50 on RSI? Yes, we are, okay? So we're in bearish territory. Okay, so again, you could have had this set up and grab some pips right there to there, but we didn't get in this trade, guys. But you could be looking for continued momentum to the downside, like a sell with not just an impulse, but with confirmation down here, and we could look to grab some pips in there, and then possible buy entry, like a reversal. We could be looking for a pop back up here. Okay, so I'll set up the charts for us, and we'll let the price action do what it's got to do. Okay. And then what I'm doing in here is, this area, I'm not trading this, okay? If price wants to consolidate in here, we're reaching that trend. Look at the trend line. Lots can happen in here. This could start to reverse bullish and come back up here, or it can start breaking down. But I have it positioned where it's ready to go, guys. So if you guys want to set up your charts like this, this is a no trade area, and then what we're looking for is buys up here with confirmation and retest, and we're looking for sells down here. But you could enter right here initially, just like the US30, how we did it on the US30 right there. Similar chart, okay? And gold is now, look at this. So we've got a bearish pin bar candlestick with continued momentum. Look at this, okay? So look at RSI now, guys, 22, okay? So remember what I told you. Don't always just hit buy just because it hits 30 or 28 or something like that. Follow these wicks. Every time these buyers pushed it up, it got rejected at the trend line. Every time these buyers pushed up, they got rejected. Long rejection wicks. Snipers, we just went over this on our candlestick webinar, guys. So you guys are ahead of the game. You guys understand what's going on now. Okay, so this is beautiful. Look at gold breaking down. Now we're getting volume. Here's next take profit, guys. Look for gold to drop to 1809.40 right here. Okay, there it goes, guys. Look at it. Just easy pips, guys. Congrats, everybody. Congrats. Look, you're getting an applause from the audience. Gold, just beautiful breakdown. See that technical breakdown, guys? Okay, and I had my sell entry, guys. I posted in the free Telegram group. I got that wick of that candle, right there. Okay, so I took that retest candle. Guys, any questions, let me know in the chat. I'm just going to read the chat. Dirty 30, yes. BB King, yeah. B-Lord, good money, Ronnie. No worries, bro. BTC tanking. We're not going to do BTC tonight, bro. We're just going to stick with US30, NAS, and gold right now. We'll do just a private, we're going to do a private session with BTC, or just BTC one night, because it trades a lot different from US30 and NAS and gold. So we'll leave that as just one session alone, just for crypto. Okay, so no worries. But Benamis unstoppable. Let's see. There's no confirmation retest. Should we wait even if the candle goes down so far? You got to let me know what you're talking which pair you're talking about. There's no confirmation retest. Should we wait even the candle goes down? Yeah, if you don't have a candle confirmation or a retest, it could just continue to go right off of it. But what you're watching is, was there a wick coming up where buyers got in and pushed it up, or did it just go directly down? Then you have that selling pressure. You can get in a sell without a retest, because you're following the volume. Okay, the retest is just to see if buyers push it up and you got new sellers coming in. That's what a retest is. Okay, but you can also get a confirmed entry. If we feed off of this red candle and continues to go down, you're not going to get a retest. It might just start going bearish and continue to move down. So that's what you're similar, like kind of what a retest is. So yeah, just follow, guys, the body of the candles. That's the volume. Okay, so it tells you the direction where price action's moving. Guys, get ready for gold now to start reversing. Now we got another long rejection wick down here, and now we're starting to move, possibly a rejection. Okay, like I could take this chart to the side like this, and I could possibly be looking to scalp a reversal, like right in here. Okay, but I'm gonna allow this to exhaust itself. I want to see how far down it can go. I'm just gonna flip to US30, guys. Oh hell yeah, look at US30, guys. Beautiful. Guys, let me know if you guys are in this US sell. This is nice. Okay, so we got down to 34,907. Look at the RSI, broke 40. Now we could be coming all the way back down to 30, guys. If we get that momentum drop now, if sellers come in and pound this down, we're going to come down to right here, crack, guys, we're going to crack 34,900 and possibly drop to 34,895. This is beautiful, guys. Look at the pips on the tape. From right here, entry, guys, 32 pips already, okay? So if you guys want secure 75-80%, you know, and leave a small runner, but this, look how heavy this bearish candle is. Let me flip to the 15s for you guys. Look at 15. Oh shit, look at this one. We still got 10 minutes to go on this, and it's coming down, guys, okay? So 15-minute candle might be breaking down as well. Back to the 5s, okay? So we got 35 seconds left. What we need out of this 5-minute candle is, can we get this volume and close below this red line? If we can close below 34,907, we possibly have more momentum to get down to 34,894, okay? We could possibly grab another 10 pips here. Okay, 15 seconds, guys. Guys, join the free Telegram group. It's listed in, it's pinned at the top, guys. It's in the chat. Join the group, guys. Free Telegram. See what we do. We post our trades in there, guys. Oh, yes. Okay, so we got some nice bearish continuation. All we got to do now is break that wick right there, 34,904. If the sellers can push this down and break that wick, then we're going to come down to possibly this area, guys. 34,890. Oh, yeah, 894, guys. Okay, and remember 34,900 is a psychological number, okay? So if we can break that, we could have more push to the downside, guys. This is beautiful, okay? Congrats everybody that took this sell, okay? For real, that's a great sell. Do you have Trade Explorer on Forex Factory? I use Forex Factory just for the news. I just look for news for folders, okay? I'm not big into like looking at dissecting folders and things like that. I just look where what's going to be traded. Trade Explorer. Not sure what Trade Explorer is, bro. But this is the Forex Factory. I just use it to see for, like today, 10 a.m. had some red folder. That's why, and then I look to scalp those markets, okay? Roy, not easy pips, bro. It takes a bold, strong mentality to click a trade. It does, but you know, once you get real comfortable with this, then you're going to feel confident. When you click that buy and sell, you're going to feel confident doing it. And then that's where you limit your emotions, okay? Because when you get into a trade, I know when you first start, your heart's beating, your palms are like you're sweating, your it gets, your adrenaline is going. But soon you're going to get, when you take a trade, you're comfortable. You just sit back, you relax, you allow it to do its thing. You take your profits as you want and just look for another trade. That it's going to come down to that, guys. But it takes practice, okay? It takes learning how price action moves. You're going to learn live. Like, you're going to see head fake candles all day, okay? And I'm happy that we're doing this live to show you how market makers, how they have head fake candles and things like that. So you guys are going to learn. Because we've all been caught by head fake candles, but as long as you know that it's a head fake candle, you learn, you understand why that happened, and then you just move on, okay? Look at this candle. We moved up, pulled back up to here. Here's the wick, 34,913, but it's still lower than our previous wick. So we are creating a little bit of a lower high. All we need is see the pullback on the RSI. So now it's testing 41 on RSI. This area we broke as support. Now it's going to act as resistance. What we're looking for now is sellers to now come in and start pushing it down further to break down to here, okay? How's Babylon? How's US30 outlook? We did our Sunday night analysis. I'll do real quick like dailies right now, guys, on US30. But I'm bearish on the market for the month of August. Okay, but look here on the daily candlesticks, guys. Okay, so look on the dailies, guys, right here. So if we look right now where the price action is on the daily, guys, shit, I'm happy you brought that up. Okay, look at this. I'm gonna do it yellow. See yesterday's close. 34,883. If we can get this daily candle, this green candle, to break below there, look at where we're going to come down to. We're going to come down to 34,081. Okay. Next daily level is going to be right here. 34,700. We could get nice drops in here. Okay. So we could see the market correct all the way down to here. okay? So all we need is a nice rejection on the daily candle, which we're getting here at 34,968. We already have a high wick formed on the daily. All we got to do now is this session and leading into London, if we can start pushing US30 down and break this support level on daily, 34,875, then we're going to drop down to here. We could grab like 100 pips coming down, okay? Leading into London, guys, and I'm going to try my best to stream London with you guys. Okay, so back to the 5 minutes. We're getting a pullback, okay? But what do I tell you guys on every single call? When we get down to 20, 30 pip profits, I showed you the tape, 30 pips. Scale out 70, 80% of your profits. Leave a small break-even runner, okay? If this continues to break down, yeah, you'll grab some additional pips. But that nice 30 pip move, don't leave that on the table, guys, okay? Take those profits, guys. We're scalping, okay? We'll look for lots of trades, okay? Some professional traders, guys, they live off of 30 pips a day and they live a comfortable life. They do a higher lot size, okay? 30 pips a day. Even if you're doing a 2 lot at 30 pips a day, you make 600 US a day. Do the math, okay? It's a good living. And then if you start to do 5 lots and 10 lots, then 30 pips a day can turn into $1,500 or $3,000 a day, okay? So you got to understand the value of what a pip is. And let me just see here. Why is a great sell when the price is low? I'm confused and new. Learn to swim, bro. If you're new, I suggest you join the mentorship group. We can teach you everything, bro, okay? Because when we're live trading, we want to answer questions, but I can't, like, what is a pip? That's a basic question like you're asking. So a pip is a percentage in price. It's like right here. When we're trading gold, it's the decimal places, how the increments are moving in price, okay? So real quick, look at now. See the reversal on gold, guys? Okay, so that's why I didn't get greedy. I took up my profits because we could get price action come back into here. And guys, I'm looking for a buy opportunity on gold up here if we start to break out, okay, out of this order flow area. I could be looking for a buy entry up here. Okay, we could be looking for a buy. If RSI breaks starts to break above 50, we could look for a nice bullish move coming up here. But what could happen is this could be a pullback and it could start get rejected in here, guys. So let's watch for maybe a rejection here close to 50, and then we could possibly get maybe into a lower high and then continue down on gold, okay? So go back to what is a pip. This is a pip, okay? So if price is 1811.40 and it moves to 1811.30, it just dropped increment of 10 decimal 10. So that's 1 pip. A $1 move on gold is 10 pips. Now that's a percentage in price. So what you do is now when you're trading, you get a lot size and you multiply your lot size to your pips. So a standard lot is a 1.0, and if you 1 times 10 is, you're looking at $10 a pip, you make $100 profit. But what is a pip? Bro, I can't waste time on a live call with that. That's very basic. You need to join the mentorship group, and we have tutorials and we've got everything for you. And we love beginning traders. We love to teach you guys everything, okay? So yeah, but a pip is just basic, how the percentage moves in price. Okay, guys, I'm just going to flip to that US30 again. Oh, man, US30. Look at it breaking down, guys, okay? So never mind gold right now. Let's focus on US30 and NASDAQ right now. Look at the dumps, guys. US30 and NASDAQ. These are our plays tonight, okay? Gold is choppy. We got in a quick scalp on that, but these are the plays right now, guys. US30. Look at that, okay? So it hit my other take profit area right here, okay? So remember, I set these lines up for you guys. And these ones are spaced out real nice, okay? So where did we come down to? 34,886. Beautiful drop, guys, okay? That's why I use the break at 50 on RSI. And then my other break right here, beautiful. See that pullback, how they faked out? That was just a relaxed candle. That was just a cool off candle. It was nothing significant, okay? Nothing to get scared about. If you're in that sell, watch the wick. It was right here, 34,920. Still lower than here, lower than here, lower than here. Here's our bearish engulfing candle, guys. We just finished the webinar with you guys. Right now, bearish engulfing right off a pullback. Remember I taught you that? Okay? And now we go all the way down to profits, guys, okay? Pull out the tape. Check out the move, guys. Add these pips up, okay? Boom, all the way down to there. 53 pips, guys. 53 right there. Okay. Beautiful. And this thing wants to break even further. Remember I told you the 15-minute candle was coming down heavy? Okay, the 15-minute candle broke its 15-minute support right here. This was 34,893. This was 15-minute support. It broke down. Our 15-minute candle on US30 just created a lower low, fellas, okay? So now it's coming back up, but this candle is going to close in 48 seconds. Let's watch the volume on our 15-minute candle close, because this might give us direction on our next three 5-minute candles, okay? If we can close below here, the volume on that 15-minute candle, we might get additional push to break that wick and drop down further. What's down here, guys? This yellow line, 34,878 is a daily support, guys. If we break this daily support, oh shit, US30, we're going to grab 100 pips, guys. Okay? This is going to be a beautiful breakdown. But just keep in mind that price could come down here and pick up support. Remember, yellow line is daily support, guys, on my charts. Okay, it's going to close in 10 seconds. Let's watch how this 15-minute candle is going to close. Okay, so buyers pushed it up to here. We couldn't close with the body below that support line, but look how this 15-minute candle just opened up. We don't have too much action coming up so far. So what we can do is break right there and fill this wick, and we might have momentum to continue going down, guys. Okay, all we got to do, same thing with here. Break this 41 on the RSI on the 15-minute, and this thing can drop. So we might have some higher time frame coming behind us, some sellers. But here's the back to the 5-minute candles, okay? But guys, like I say, don't get greedy. 53 pips, guys. Scale out a little bit, you know what I mean? And just leave these runners. NASDAQ, okay? NASDAQ. Remember this trade setup? Okay? If you didn't get in the original sell up here, this one came down. Impulse candle close. Here's your retest. Look at the wick. Made a lower high right there. Okay, so if you don't want to enter on that candle, no worries. Where did it come down to? It closed under there, and look at this. This is a continuation candle coming down. Okay, so that's a 3-bar pattern. You could hit sell, anywhere sell below 14,948. Okay, and there's quick pips, guys, quick scalps. Like, guys, we can scalp these markets all day, all night. There, 10 pip move right there, okay? Wait till Dave and I do the 1-minute candlesticks with you. Guys, it's going to get ridiculous. So, but we're not doing 1-minute scalping with you guys until we get 1,000 subs. So help us get 1,000 subs on our channel, guys. Share with your friends. Like these videos so that we can start trending, guys. We're trading live with you guys. We're providing real education. And we're taking trades, showing MT4s with commissions, guys. So the least you guys can do is just help us out. Get in the YouTube algorithm, get us recommended, we want to be the best live trading platform out there for scalping, okay? And you see how we do it, guys. And we teach this stuff while we're doing it. It's not just I'm just sitting here and I'm taking a trade and you guys are watching. I'm breaking down everything play by play, candle by candle, what's going on, okay? So let me just get to these questions, guys. Sorry, double. Make it nice. What's going on, bro? It's a 0000 number. Yeah. Sorry, double. How do you know that 34,900 is a psychological number, bro? It's I'm a psychological trader. I've been trading support and resistance like psychologically all my life. Okay, its price action is gravitated towards whole numbers. Okay, and sometimes they work in increments. Okay, so that's why also I know where to take my profits, guys, and I don't get greedy because I know that price action it's gravitated to those areas. That's why I have like psychological 50 on my RSI. I look for that proper breakdown. Let me just go to US30 because US30 is pulling back up here. Okay, so this could be just a pullback coming back up, but then we're looking for lower highs created. So we could be just cooling off this RSI for the next push down. Okay, that could be happening. But yeah, guys, we the money or the music we got flagged by YouTube, so I can't be playing that because of copyright. So we're gonna find non-copyright music, believe me. So I apologize tonight. All I got tonight for you guys is applause. But that's good enough. Okay, we'll put some applause for the pips. Alex J, SPX is showing the same thing. Yep. 34,900 is psychological number because it's a number ending in 0. Yeah, I couldn't. Yeah, that's the way how you explain it. So just numbers that end in 0, like 1900, 19, like 19 increments of 25. Those are if you're trading gold, like on daily, it goes 1900, 1925, 1950, 1975, then to 2000. And those are the bigger times. And then when you're trading on a lower time frame, that's why if you grab 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, you're getting psychological breaks. Grab those pips, guys, because it can reverse. But pips compound, guys. We'll take 30 pips here. We'll grab 20 on another trade. Maybe we'll get another breakdown. We'll catch something else. Pips add up, guys. 20, 50, 100. When we trade New York, man, we get 200-300 pips a call. Okay. This is, you got to understand, this is the Tokyo session. It's not as volatile as a session like London. London was wild last night, and it was easy, guys. London was so easy. I want to trade London again tonight, guys. That was a bonus session. So guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next bonus sessions, okay? London, it was fun. And then you get to see, when you guys are trading with us, we started Sunday night with a forecast. We did our daily analysis. Then I went into open London session live. Dave did New York. And I just did the webinar with the snipers, and then we're doing Tokyo, and we might continue with London. We're showing you guys how price action is moving throughout the markets live, okay? So if we pick up a trend and we catch the daily bearish trend, guys, we're going to collect pips on every single session, okay? I don't understand why. It just I want you guys to understand that what we're trying to do, okay? I just saw a dislike on the on the likes. That makes me laugh. All right, but no worries. Okay, we're gonna have those people that don't like our style, but anybody that comes on live and trades live and gets people money, you know what I mean, free education, and you dislike that, for real. Like I don't know what to say. You know what I mean? But just unsubscribe and go look for a different channel. But we don't need traders like you, for real. We got a good team here, that people that appreciate what we do. So one dislike doesn't really hurt our feelings. We're big boys here, but not sure what. We get into a trade, we show you where to place stop loss, we get you in this, make 30-40 pips, and you dislike that. So not sure what's going on there, but no worries. Yeah, bro. Shame they flagged us. I know, man. But it was good. It was a good vibe when we had those beats. But what can we do? You know what I mean? We got to follow YouTube rules, okay? Because we don't want to. We want to abide by them, okay? Oh, thanks, bro. Added a like to counter this. No worries. But haters are gonna hate, okay? There's always gonna be that, no matter what you do. It's okay. We're big boys. Which pairs, Team Chief, what's going on, bro? Which pairs do we trade London session? We do gold, NASDAQ, US30. That's all I did last night, okay? If we see Bitcoin, if we want to do Bitcoin, we'll do Bitcoin. But every call is just gold, US30, NAS100, okay? Those are like the three, that's like the three-headed monster, okay? And then soon we're going to add like a currency pair. For London, it's good to do currency like the British pound, US dollar, or Euro USD, because that's your market. It's the European market, okay? So hopefully that answers your question. But we normally do gold, NAS, and US30. We'll throw in a currency pair, we'll chart it, and we'll play it by ear, okay? So we'll look at GBPUSD, EURUSD, or GJ. Okay, so what's happening with gold now? Okay, so again, look, it's in our consolidation box. Remember I started this box over here, and then it got us in that nice little cell right there. Now it's coming back into the box. So all I'm waiting for again is, are we going to get a breakdown below 1811? If it is, I'm going to get into another sell. But if we start to break up here, I'm looking for a buy now, okay? Because look at now gold. It's starting to creep up above 50. It's starting to get stronger, and I'm looking for possible buy entry up here, guys. We could get a nice little gold breakout. And then you're going to have your impulse break, and then you're also going to have your retest, okay, with confirmation, okay? So there's two ways to trade it. Okay, and first stop is it's gonna come up to this wick of this candle right here, okay? Right there. We might get a nice impulse break right there happening, okay? So if you like buy entry, impulse, and retest, we're looking for this zone to enter. Okay, anywhere around here. Okay, and then next area for like profit target, we're looking for a push up to here. Okay, wow, if we can get price up to 1814, this could be a nice 20 pip move up here, guys. Okay. All we got to do is break above this previous wick. Okay, this was 9 o'clock when we started the call. Okay, this was a fake out candle, guys. 9 o'clock, they faked out the market. Look at it. They took it up bullish, where they brought it above that trend. That was an impulse break, and then they brought it down with a rejection, and then that started that little bearish trend right there. But now it's coming back up, and now we're retesting that wick. But now we got some nice strength behind us. Okay, we just broke above 50. Our strength now is at 57. So we have momentum to break above 1812.40 and get to our next possible take profit, 1813.20. Okay. Okay, so that's gold. We got 10 seconds now. So let's watch how this volume is going to close. If it can close above this area, that's good. And then what we're looking for is that retest confirmation candle. I'm going to zoom in, guys, so you can see what I'm looking at. Okay, so that's the close. Here's the continuation. Okay, right there. Okay, so see where my cursor is? I'm looking if price drops, but I'm looking for a wick coming down. So far, I don't have a wick coming down. So buyers are entering right now at 1812.21. Okay, so let's watch the body, the volume fill, and all we got to do is just break above this resistance, and we're going to head higher. Okay, as long as we get that strength coming in, we need this candle body to start filling with buyers. Okay, there we go. Now we just need a nice little push. So we're holding support right here at 1812.22. Yes, sir. Thank you for that sub. I appreciate that. Learn to swim. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Okay, shout outs to you. Hopefully you get a lot of value out of this channel, and join the free Telegram FX group. And also, if you want to take your trading to the next level, you want to learn all about pips, everything, we have online tutorials, and then we have live webinars where we just finished our bearish family webinar. This week, tomorrow or Wednesday, we're going to be doing our webinar on pips, lots, spreads, buy orders, sell orders, and how to place a stop loss. So guys, if you want in, join the sniper team, guys. These are awesome webinars. We had a wicked session, guys. Great bunch of guys in the crew. So there we go. Another sub. Appreciate that. Appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, guys, so it's still holding support right here. So we are still building a higher low, okay? But we got to allow price action to do what it's got to do, okay? We can't just anticipate that this thing is going to go up, okay? We got to see the volume start filling, okay? And you see we have not broke below 1812.22 yet, okay? So that's where my cursor is. It's still sitting there. There it goes, okay? So all we need is to break above now this resistance. It's this wick. And we could possibly come, our next area is going to be possibly up here, okay? Right up here. There we go. So look for target 1812.75. There's our breakout. There it goes, guys. Okay? See that? No wick on the bottom, guys. I held my cursor there. This is an ignited candle, okay? It's very bullish. We just hit right up there, guys. Okay? Beautiful. If we break 1812.73, we're going to head on higher to 1813.15, okay? So that's like, this is your impulse candle, and then this is like your retest candle. Did you see how we never came down and tested down here yet? But we have buyers holding support right here, okay? So all we just need is momentum to continue to increase now. Where was our previous high? Okay, this is the first time. Oh, wow, this is real. There we go, guys. Woo, shit. Look at this. Okay, so all we need is just a little bit more push, and we can possibly get up to 1813.18. Guys, let me know if you guys got in the gold trade. I got in. Okay, I'll show it in the FX Telegram group. Okay, I'm looking to maybe possibly scale out a little bit. Okay, I was happy with that move, but this thing could move, guys. Let's check out the 15-minute candle just to help confirm. Look at the 15-minute candle. The 15-minute candle is possibly going to break 50 on RSI, okay? We got 1 minute left. Our 15-minute candle could be going bullish, guys. We could get new 15-minute candle in the next 50 seconds. If we start breaking above 50, wow, we could get next momentum on 15-minute candle to come up to 1814, guys. This is beautiful. I am in. Nice. Okay, let's see here. Shout outs to Streamlabs for the stream software. You guys are doing great. Appreciate you guys. Frankie, good. You did. I will trader. You're in. Nice. Babylon, looking for the big move on US30. It's best to wait till London. Yeah, every time you got to wait for a volatile session if you're looking for big moves, bro. You got to wait for those sessions. Right now, this is more just a nice scalp session. Tokyo is relaxed scalping. We're looking for 20, 30 pip moves. But if you're looking for those big 100, 200 pip bangers, those are London and those are New York. Okay, that's when you need news. You need news. You need news that will move the markets, guys. Okay, guys, so we came up. Look at what happened here on gold. Okay, it came up here, okay, and got rejected heavy. We got rejected, but this is an inverted hammer candle, so we do still have some buying volume. Now the candles are possibly coming down to retest this area. Okay, so this could be now the retest 1812. We're going to follow these wicks now. Okay, we could be looking for a higher low forming, or it could be coming down to test this level right here. Okay. And now look at it's starting to get rejected. It's forming a wick on the bottom and it's turning in a hammer candle now. Okay, so you can see how it's flipping. Okay, could be continuing to move up. We'll see, guys. Okay, so I just posted in the FX group. I took a buy for another $51. Okay, so I'm just scalping, guys, real quick. I'm looking for 5, 7, 10 pip moves. I'm not getting greedy. I scaled out of that one. So 68 on the first one, 51. Like I could possibly bank $1, $2, $3, $400 on this call. You know what I mean? And I'm not doing any crazy lot sizes like I normally do. I normally trade gold with 5, 10 lots. I'm just doing 1, 2 lots on these calls. So nothing crazy. But just to show you guys, I'm taking trades, guys. Taking trades. Okay, so I got in on that last one. Let's take a look at where I got in on. Okay, where did I get filled? I got filled. Let me just go to that. Guys, join the free Telegram group if you're not in it. So I got in 1812.29 on this breakout candle. Okay, I bought the breakout 1812.29 where I got filled right here. Okay, and then I had my stop loss placed down there. I held my cursor here the entire time, watching to see if it would come down. It didn't. Then it started breaking out, and then I started scaling up here. I was happy with some profits. Okay. And you could leave a partial runner. Now I told you guys, watch this candle. See how it came down bearish? That probably scared a lot of you guys, okay? But I told you, it's as long as we stay above this area, we're good. We're all good, okay? Just now we're turning into a spin top indecision candle. Follow the volume, guys. We got 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Let's just hope that we can start closing above this area and we could potentially move up, okay? But gold, this is how gold moves, guys. If you want to scalp gold, this is normally how it moves, okay? US30. Oh, guys, this is sick. Look at this. US30 is just continuing to break down, guys, okay? Look at what we did. It pulled up the RSI and it's continuing to get rejected. Beautiful, guys. We're going to come down to this daily support, 34,878. For all you guys that are still in this holding, guys, I think we're going to go bearish on US30 NAS tonight, guys. Even NASDAQ breaking down. Next support level, watch for this break, guys, 14,930. We break below there. Look at where it's coming down to. Right here and here, okay? 2 targets, guys. Like these are take profits for you fellas, okay? Right there is one, okay? There, and then that could be the next one. Okay, guys? Boom, we just lost this support right there, 14,935, and look at it dropping. Bottom heavy candle, bearish, boom, okay? Dropping, US30, dropping, bottom heavy. Guys, wow, shit, if we break this daily support, oh, this thing could drop, okay? Ross, what's going on, bro? Welcome. Yeah, 30 likes, man. This is awesome, man. I'm floored, bro. Like, this is awesome, guys. 30 people in the chat, 30 likes, guys. Thank you, thank you. You know how much that means to us. We want to get this channel trending, guys. All that help you guys can give us with that, we appreciate that. Thank you. Look at this, guys. Look at this breakdown, guys. We're at a daily support right now. Go to higher time frame right now. Hourly candle. Watch this. Okay, look at my hourly candle, guys. Look at this. Hourly candle is heavy, guys. Look at this. We could get an hourly break right now. Oh man, if we can break down to here on the hour, 870. I go white lines on my hours, guys. Okay. And then look at these levels. These are my hourly levels. Okay, right here. Right here. Okay. Guys, this is for tonight, like later on, even possibly after the call. If US30 breaks, if we break hourly below daily support, we could look for price action come down to 34,870, 34,850, possibly 34,840, guys, okay? From here, could collect another 30, 40 pips, guys, okay? Let's watch that if we can break there. We got a new hourly candle, guys, okay? Just opened up 5 minutes ago. It's 10:05 Eastern right now, okay? But you can see that you can see that it's continuing to come down 30 RSI, but we're going to start to see maybe some pull-ups, okay? Some pullbacks, and no worries with those, okay? Because you're going to see price out. Here was one, here was another one. But as long as it's still making lower highs and it's still in a downtrend, guys, we're all good. Like, this was the first downtrend up there, okay? But look at, now we're in a new mini downtrend. If I connect this wick down here, look at, guys, we're in a new little mini downtrend right here, okay? So we're in a downtrend within an overall higher time frame downtrend, okay? So there is going to be a pullback. Remember, you're always going to have those RSI buyers coming at 30. It doesn't even have to be retailers. It could be algorithms. It could be robots buying always. Whenever price hits 30, they're always looking for a bounce. But us, as if we're continuing to hold this trade or look for additional sell entries, we got to follow lower highs and lower lows, guys. It's just technical trading. It's got to be done, okay? Because look at where we're approaching. This yellow line is daily support, guys, for US30. If this shit breaks right here, it could really start to fall down. We have a bearish hourly candle behind us, okay? Guys, I'm just going to check out the chat for 1 second. Alex J. Yeah, man, I'm starting to, Ross, you know me, bro. I love trading gold. Like, gold's my baby. But I think you guys and Dave are converting me more to scalp US30 and NAS100, and I'm loving it. We did London session last night, and man, US30, London Open, and NAS it was awesome, guys. We collected 200 pips. I'm gonna try and do another London session tonight right after this. Okay, so I'm gonna go till 10:30. 11 o'clock, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to try and sleep 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Get up at 2:30 a.m. Eastern. I know it's a shitty time for us. It's in the middle of the night, but I really want to stream live London with you guys. So if you guys are down for that, subscribe to the channel. Then, right after London, my man Dave is going to pop in, and he's doing New York, guys. Like, this is fun times, guys. Yeah, indices are wild, and big pip moves, guys. 100+ pip moves. Okay, guys, so everything is now pulling back. This is the pullback, okay? But remember, it's coming back to previous RSI 40 here. It might break and try and attempt again 50. But if sellers come down and push the strength down here, then this strength could be making lower high and then revisit down in 30, okay? But you got to expect buyers to come in. We're at a daily support level, okay? So if you're in this sell, I suggest, guys, scale out profits, okay? Leave a small runner just in case it continues to break down, because what we could be looking at is a nice like reversal scalp coming up, okay? I'm just trying to look which area I'm looking at, okay? So I could be looking for a buy up here at 34,908, and we could possibly take it right back to 930. We can maybe scalp 30 pips right there, guys, okay? So let me just show you what I'm looking at for a buy. Okay, if we get into a buy, I'm looking for. I want to see some momentum. Okay, I want to see buyers if they're serious. I want to see them move that candle, and possibly I'm looking for a buy in here. and maybe take it back up to that trend line. Okay, so I'm looking for a buy up there. Again, not just an impulse candle. I'm looking for maybe a nice retest confirmation. It holds up here, 34,907, and then we can start moving up. Okay, but also it could get rejected up here. If it gets, remember, this is the trend line right here. Okay, so there's sellers in here that want to push this down. Okay, so this could start reversing. It could start forming a high wick and start coming right back down. Okay, so we'll see what's going on here. Sylvie, what's going on? Just do you offer account management like copy trading? And just wondering. No, we don't do any of that copy trading. We want to teach you how to trade. Our objective is we want to teach you how to trade. Okay. I know copy trade. We send out trade ideas to the team. You can copy trade those. We do that. We send maybe two to three trade ideas daily to the sniper team, and you can. Those are just our trade ideas, and they bank a lot of pips too. But copy trading, not so much into that. We really want to teach you guys how to trade. Okay, we want you to learn this, and we want to teach you it. Okay, but if you're into just like trade ideas, join the mentorship group, $29.99. You get the trade ideas, you get the online tutorials, you get the private Zoom webinars. You get to be in the chat room with the sniper team. It's an awesome group of guys we got in there, and chicks. We got some killer chicks in there. They're killers. They can out scalp a lot of guys here, and they picked it up and they're crazy. They're showing some ridiculous profits. But anybody can get pips, guys. Just learn this. Okay. So what happened here? We had a bullish pullback come up, and now we got a bearish candle open right up here underneath the trend line. So this is like forming like a bearish engulfing candle. All the sellers got to do now is just come down, push it down, engulf this candle, and we're going to retest that daily support. Okay, so that's what I mean. See why I'm not touching a buy up here until I start to see some momentum. Okay, I'm not going to get trapped with these pullbacks. I guarantee you they're trapping a lot of buyers in here. Every time these buyers are buying, they're dropping it down on them, either hitting a stop loss or they're trying to buy again, or they're reloading. You know what I mean? And sellers are just continuing walking it down slowly. Okay. So you got to be patient, guys. Got to be patient. Aldo, what time am I waking up? So I'm gonna try for 2:30 a.m. Eastern. Okay, 30 minutes before London session, because I want to get in, start charting with you guys, and then we're ready for 3 a.m. open. So I'm gonna go 20 more minutes on this call, because for real, I want to get this London session. I want to smoke a blunt, go to sleep, get 3 hours, and I want to be trading with you guys London. Okay. Let me just see here, Alex. Yeah, for more. So, Arthur, what's going on, bro? Welcome. Arthur is part of the sniper team. Give him a warm welcome. He's a sniper. My man is learning and earning on through it daily. So, respect to you guys. We got a lot of snipers in the room here. So salvation. I've never traded US30. Gold is my number one. US30. Yeah, man. Gold's been my number one for 10 years. You know what I mean? But now I love how indices move. And guys, they're free commission. Okay. When you're trading gold, you got to pay your broker commissions. When you're trading US30 or Nasdaq, guys, it's free commissions. So let's concentrate on those indices. Okay. We'll get free commission trading, and then that's more profits for you guys. Why do you want to pay brokers commissions when we can take indices that move even bigger moves than gold and commission free, guys? It only makes sense. Okay. So let me just tell you what happened here with the Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq dropped, broke here, 14,948, came down to 927, 20 pip move. Now we got a bullish candle coming up. Okay, so it came all the way from below 30 RSI. It came up to try and retest up here, 50. Got rejected. We got a red bearish candle coming down. So this thing might still respect this trend line, and now sellers could drop it. Okay. See up here? Here's a trend line. Okay. So it could still come down. All the sellers got to do is start engulfing this bull candle, this pullback candle, and RSI could start dropping, and price of Nasdaq could continue to drop further. Okay. Yeah, so now it's just consolidating, guys. We got US30 now. So what I can do is I could trap these candles. Okay, I can start to see some consolidation right here. Okay, see this area right there? Boom, consolidation. Again, there's my buy entry. I'm waiting for price to break out. All of this sideways action, I'm not looking to trade that, okay? And then we could also look for maybe a sell entry down here. But if we break below this daily support, wow, this could really start dropping, guys, tonight, okay? I'm talking tonight, like maybe after this call. If US30 starts breaking below 34,878, guys, I know it's 20 pips away from here, but keep an eye on that level, guys, okay? Because look last time when we broke here. This was August 2nd at 340 today. When we broke 878, look how it dropped. Look at this. When we broke that daily support, look at where it went down to. 70 pips, guys, okay? This happened just previous today, okay? This happened at the end of the day, 3 o'clock, 3:40 p.m. Eastern. We broke that daily support and it dropped 70 pips. Same pattern could happen up here tonight, guys. If we lose that, we could drop another 70 pips to our next daily, okay? So keep an eye on that. But now we could be pulling, it's going to consolidate in here. We're getting these indecision spin top candles. We're at a level where we're getting the apex of this triangle right now. It's a descending triangle. We could be breaking out here and reversing this, okay? That's why we're getting a lot of indecision here. Let's check out what gold's doing. Okay, gold broke out, guys. Okay, remember gold, we broke out. I showed you the buy. I showed you my entry on gold. But I scaled out, okay? But look at then, if you held, okay, and continue or bought this and held a runner, how high did it come up to? It came up to 1813. Next candle, continuation. Remember this was the target and we got up to here, 1813.64, okay? So that's a nice move on gold. Quick scalp. Now it's pulling back, but we're still holding. Extend this area throughout your trading tonight, guys, okay? That's what I do. Okay, and I won't be trading in this box, but I'll be trading above and below it all night. Okay, that's what you do, guys. Okay, this is all accumulation distribution. You might get some barcode action, and then you're going to see sideways action. But what you're looking for are nice confirmed breakouts and price action to break below this. So if gold tonight breaks below 1811, yeah, then you're looking for sell opportunities and come back down here. Okay, but in the meantime, this area, it's accumulation distribution. Just let price action do what it's got to do. This is where it gains momentum to either break out bullish or break down bearish, okay? I call it like a no trade zone, and I'm trading above and below it. And I'll walk this until I see my next order flow area, my next supply demand zone, and I'll trade that, okay? And that's basically what we do, okay? There's no secrets. So see here, this was an original supply demand area. We caught the breakdown. We caught that sell, guys. We hit that, okay? That was beautiful. But now look at what I'm identifying. I'm identifying a new supply demand zone down here. So same thing. I'm waiting for a buy above here and I'm waiting for a sell down here, okay? Similar to this, what we just did, guys. Let me know if you guys got any questions on this, okay? Because this is important stuff, guys. Oh man, you guys make me laugh. Alex J, I'm gonna have to cop this membership. Y'all be making too much pips. For real, bro. Respect. You see it now. If you guys gotta join us on YouTube for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month to see what we do, we put in work, guys. Dave and I are here 2 to 3 times live daily, okay? We're not fooling around. We're not just one-hit wonders. We're here to stay. But if you guys want to take your trading to the next level with the sniper team, guys, $29.99, you don't understand how much value you guys get in that. For real. Just join the sniper team, guys, because once we start growing, we're going to start limiting the live trading on YouTube, and we're going to be focusing on private trading with the sniper team, guys, okay? So and for now, for the first 100 sniper members that get in, you guys will be grandfathered in for $29.99 a month. Guys, get on these calls. We got traders that come on these calls and they're paying their memberships on every single call. Look at this 30 pip move right there. $1 a pip, guys. You just paid for your entire monthly membership for August. And you get the mentorship with Dave and I, you get to trade with the sniper team, you get the online tutorials, you get the trade ideas, the signals we send you throughout the day. Guys, think about that, okay? We've got members now that have paid 2-3 years of their membership trading with us for 1 week live, okay? Because they're taking the trades. They understand how we set up our charts now. In the live webinars, we go a little bit beyond what we show you guys here on YouTube, okay? This is where we break things down, okay? Yeah, man, I want to see all you guys become snipers soon. I will, trader, believe me, everybody on this call will be snipers, okay? This is a movement, guys. We want to be the best trading community family there is, okay? And it's growing fast. Like, Dave and I can't believe what's going on, for real. Frankie, you just signed up. Okay, Frankie was an old school cat. Okay, he was with us. He slacked, bro. You slacked, and now he's back. So now you better take the trading serious. Okay, but everybody has their, everything happens. But I'm glad to see you back, bro. Welcome to the team again. But let's earn some money for you, bro. Let's scale your account. And guys, if you guys are interested in funding talent, FTMO, those prop challenges, we help our members. We have 4 or 5 members now going through those challenges. 2 have passed the challenges and are elite account traders with $100,000 accounts. We had our first member cash out last week, so we know all the process, how everything works. If you guys are interested, we help you pass these challenges, guys, so that you can get funded and make real money. And you keep 80% of those profits, guys, if you guys don't have the initial capital to get started with your trading, guys, okay? So Dave and I and Blair, we help you out, okay? Sniper team is here for you guys. Okay, guys, so like, I'm not taking a buy until price action shows me that it wants to get up there. If not, I'll be bearish on US30 all night, okay? Until price action shows me that it wants to get up here, 34,907, and break out and hold up there, okay? So otherwise, we're just going to see it probably consolidate here now, or continue breakdown. And I'm eyeballing this yellow line, guys, 34,877. This is that daily support. I showed you what happened today. When we broke here, these 5-minute candles right here, they dropped 70 pips. 5, 10, 15 minutes, okay? Look at that heavy drop, okay? We could see something similar tonight, later on, okay? Keep that in mind. Arthur, be a sniper and be a pip shooter. Yeah, bro, that's what we do, okay? Sniper army, we're building soldiers. And again, we're at this psychological number, okay? 34,900. It's a psychological number. So this is why price action is cooling off in this area, okay? We might see it trade around this area. 34,895 up to 905. This 10 pip range, we might just see it trading sideways until we get momentum, till we get some nice strength, and then we get a nice move. So I'm in a buy up here, like a buy stop, we'll teach you guys how to use buy stops. So that could be like a buy stop order, what we send out to our snipers in the trade ideas. And then I could also have a sell stop down here, okay? But yeah, guys, hope you guys are enjoying this call. I hope you guys are getting a lot of education, a lot of value out of it. Yeah, it's interactive, guys. You guys can ask questions. Dave, me, Blair, we're here to help you guys. And then we got snipers now that are in the chat that they know, they're learning so much that they're gonna be like the guys. We got also a second camera. Check this out. Let me show you guys. Okay, I don't want to show you guys everything that we're building here, but check this out. 1 second. Okay, look at this. Okay, see this screen right here? Can you guys see it? This is our dual screen. This is where Dave is going to be trading live with me. So we'll be both me and Dave, or we'll have Blair on the call, or we'll have one of you guys as a guest appearance, okay? You guys can talk about your trading journey. You guys can talk about what you guys have learned with Stock Sniper trading. You know what I mean? But this is going to be me and Dave. Talking, trading. Dave's going to be checking out other charts. We'll be flip-flopping charts, guys. We want to get multiple pips, guys. We want to be getting 1,000 pips per call, okay? For real. Like, we want to we want to change the live trading, okay? So that's coming. Let me just go back to my full screen. Did you guys all see that screen? Hopefully you guys saw that. But yeah, we're going to add second cameras. I will trader. I'm officially a sniper. Just signed up. Bro, thank you. Look at that. Shout outs to I Will Trader. Yes, thank you, bro. I promise you, you won't regret it. And hop into London session with us tonight. And tomorrow, possibly we're going to have another webinar, guy. Tomorrow or Wednesday. But I'm going to try and aim for 3 webinars this week, okay? I really want you guys learning content. Welcome. You'll get a welcome package, bro, and everything. And you join the sniper chat also. You'll get a link that puts you right into the sniper chat. So everybody welcome I Will Trader. Excellent, guys. So again, I'm a patient, disciplined trader, guys. I sit back, I relax, I'll chill out all day. I'm not trading this shit in here, okay? See this consolidation? I'm not trading this. What I'm looking for is I have a buy stop above here, and I'll have a sell stop down here, okay? That's what I'm looking for, guys. And then, but look at the sell, okay? If we continue with bearish momentum, guys, and we break below that yellow line, oh man, remember these white lines? Those are our hourly. That's our hourly support, okay? So we could really start to break down, guys, okay? So that's like my chart setup. I took a sell there, grabbed those pips. Also on gold, I took the 2 buys on gold, okay? Quick scalps on gold. But look what's happening now. So same thing. Now gold is going to come back in this consolidation box. Again, I'm not looking to trade in here. What I'm looking for is, again, possible buy entry above. Again, I'm looking for a nice breakout above here. I'm looking for this type of action. I'm looking for breakout, and in here, retest right here. Buy stop will be in here. Look for price action break up here, 1812.77, small pullback. Get up to this wick. I want to break this high of this wick right there. We get up there, then we could possibly come up to there tonight, 1814. Okay, and look at right up there, we hit that. That was that wick right there. Okay, this was at 810 before we started the call. If we get above there, we're creating a new higher high, guys, and gold could continue to run. Once we pass 1814, guys, 1818 is a magnet on the daily for gold. I could see price action going directly right to 1818, but you got to see what's going on here. We got up there. This rejection is a lower high. Okay, remember, look at this price action, 1814.09. Wick right here, 1813.59. It's lower than this wick. We're creating a lower high. So we could be breaking down on gold, okay? So if we continue bearish, now look at we're getting RSI again below 50. We could be positioning ourselves for maybe another sell entry on gold, maybe in this area, okay? And in this choppy stuff, like I can trade this if I want. If you want to trade this, guys, what you do is you draw a support line right here, okay? And I could, if it starts to break bearish right here, I could start taking a sell order right below here if I want, okay? It all depends on what you want to do, but I just want to position you guys in safer trades and less volatile, okay? Because I don't want you guys getting head fakes in here, okay? Because it happens. Believe me, Dave and I, we live and die and breathe charts all day on 5-minute candles. We see this, okay, all day. And look at the patterns that we're forming, guys, okay? So could be forming like a head and shoulder pattern. Over here, we got our left shoulder. Here's like our head. We could be forming now a right shoulder. And what do we know about head and shoulder patterns? They're bearish. We're positioning ourselves for a sell opportunity here and grab some pips down here, okay? So these are like trade ideas live, set up charts, okay? So, but this stuff, I'm not trading this. What are you going to do in here? Look at the pip, okay, 1811.60 and to up here. 1812. What are you looking at? You're looking at 4 pips minus a 2 pip spread with your broker. What is 2 pips going to do for you? Nothing, okay? So you got to look for the quality trades over quantity, guys. But it takes patience, okay? You'll see when we're trading the 1-minute candles, like how patient we are with 1-minute candles. But NASDAQ, okay, guys, I'm gonna go about 5 more minutes, guys, because for real, we grabbed some nice pips on this call. I wanna relax. I wanna get up 2:30 a.m. I wanna sleep for about 3 hours, and I wanna wake up fresh so that we can do a London session, guys. But yeah, so exactly, US30 now, it's consolidating this box. Again, I got my buy order up here. I got my sell stop down there, okay? But I'm only getting in with volume, okay? I'm not falling for head fake candles. Only if candles break above and close, and then I'm looking for volume to stay above there, and I'm looking for a retest, okay? We could be getting it right now, coming up here, okay? So let me just show you US30 right now. There it goes, okay? So this could be the impulse break, guys. RSI is approaching 50, okay? So if we get that nice break above 50, we could see it come up, possibly up to here. Right up here, 57, okay? But look, it got rejected again there, okay? So I'm still waiting, okay? There's no point in taking impulse breaks if it's not breaking, guys, okay? And then what else do we look at? NAS100 also, okay? So NAS100, it's still below this area. Okay, I'm going to take this with me trading throughout the night, okay, to see how it's going. It's still below the trend line. All it's got to do is just break right here, 14,929, and this thing is going to drop all the way down to, oh man, if NASDAQ breaks right here, guys, tonight, 14,917, guys, this is going to be some large pips. Large pips for the sniper fam right here. Okay, guys, we might break 14,900 tonight. Right there. Okay, snipers are going to be eating tonight good. Okay. But got to be patient and let that happen, okay? Price action is going to go where it wants to go, okay? But look here, now we're getting some indecision. We're getting spin top candles. And now we just got to create some bearish volume to come and break below here, 14,935. Break below there, get the volume below that support line, and then we can get more sellers in the market pushing this down. Then your next profit will be 14,929. Then you're looking at 923. Then you're looking down here at 917. Okay, and now look at it. It's coming down as a shooting star. Okay, bearish pin bar. We got 3 seconds. It's going to close probably with indecision. Okay, we'll see. And guys, if you're still in the sell, you're still holding on, guys, okay? So there it goes. Once it breaks that support, there, it's going to drop, guys. There it goes, okay? Did you see how that happened? We had a couple indecision candles, but they all made lower high, and now we're getting some volume. So we're getting nice volume on this candle. All we got to do is just push now and break below these 2 wicks, and you're going to see the price of NASDAQ fall. Just Merv, you got a question? Yeah, absolutely. Shoot, give me the question. Okay, so same with, oh yeah, look at US30, guys, okay? So we're starting now to break out of the box, okay? Still lots of time left on the candle, 4 minutes, okay? But this could be the impulse, but what you're watching for is the close of the candle body. Let's get it to close below that area and continue with that volume coming down, okay? Gold, it's getting ready, guys. Gold is gearing up to start breaking, okay? And we might get these like around 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock is a new candle. Merv, if you got a question, bro, what is it? And you see, guys, like we haven't been stopped out of a trade. We haven't been faked out of a trade. We've taken nice profitable trades, and we're just patient, guys. Like, and then I can answer your questions. Believe me, I'm looking for trades. I got. This is exactly how I trade. So I'm not doing anything different with you guys on the call, but this is how I trade. Okay, I know how price action moves. Areas of consolidation. I'm not looking to trade this. Okay, we call this the sniper trap and gap strategy. Okay, Dave and I, like, we invented this. This is our strategy. We've been doing this for years. We just relax. We allow price action. Price is going to move 3 ways, guys. It's either going to move sideways in this consolidation area, or it's going to start to break out bullish, or it's going to break down bearish. 3 directions. That's where price action is going to move. It's got nowhere else to go. So just be patient, guys, and just relax, and then you'll get in more profitable trades with less head fakes. You won't be hitting as many stop losses. You'll be hitting 60, 70, 80, 90% of your trades will be all profitable. We got Gord, one of our members. He showed his MT4. I think it was 12 out of 12 trades were all blue. He hit I think it was over $500 today. And it was amazing to see that. Like, he got 12 for 12 blue trades, buys and sells, like back and forth, scalping the market for over $500. That was incredible to see that. Like, how fast he's learning, how fast he picked it up. So shout outs Gord, bro, if you're on the call. I purchased $50 in Bitcoin for the first time before coming into the chat. How does it look, say, a month from now? Oh, yeah. I'm not Bitcoin. I'm not going to get into that right now. Okay, we're going to end the call right now. That's we do, bro. But we have the video. Okay, so go to subscribe to our channel. It's there. Sunday night we did the weekly forecast. I have the Bitcoin outlook on the daily and weekly. It's there. So watch that. Go to Bitcoin. We did gold. We did US30, NAS100, GBPUSD, and Bitcoin on that call. I have the full breakdown, the direction where Bitcoin will go. Okay. But I believe that gold or Bitcoin is going to go 40,000. If we hold 40,000, we're going to move to 45K, and eventually Bitcoin is going to get up to 50K. Okay, look at this, guys. So look at how Dow Jones flipped the switch here. It was red bearish coming down, impulse. Now we're turning into a hammer candle, guys. Okay, so that was a liquidity grab. It was bearish the way how it came down, and now we're breaking out, guys. This could be a nice move on US30. Okay, just we got to get that move to close above there with the volume. Okay, so this is going to be probably the last candle, guys. We got 35 seconds. Then I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for the sub, Merv. Appreciate it. But yeah, just watch the video. It's got the full Bitcoin breakdown on the daily, weekly. We give full analysis. We do that every Sunday night. We do that forecast so that we're ready to scalp these markets. But definitely when I get on the next call, I'll break down Bitcoin for you. But it's there. Watch it. It's we just did it a few days ago, Sunday night. It's on the playlist. But I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I believe that we can go 45K soon. But it's just we gotta create support around 40,000. So it might take a few days to do that. Bitcoin's trading right now at 39,000. Okay, so like real quick on the daily, I'll do this really fast for you, bro. Just because you subbed. But here was our analysis right here. We even have it with the Fibonacci levels. Okay, this is what we did on Sunday night. Okay, swing low when we made the low 29,000 on Bitcoin. How high did we get up to? 42,500. Swing high. Now we're getting the pullback. Here it comes pulling back. So we're looking at the pullback right now. We're heading down. We just broke the 236 zone. We're looking to come down to this this next level right here. Okay. But I'm looking to hold above 37,000. Okay, if we can hold above 37,000 on daily, we can start to see maybe a reversal and start coming back up. But we don't want to lose down here. If Bitcoin goes bearish, we don't want to lose 34,360. Okay, this is a serious level. This is the golden zone. It's the 618. If you guys aren't familiar with Fibonacci retracements, you guys got to join the Sniper team. We got online tutorials that break these down, and we get in depth in our private webinars with. We're going to start breaking these down with our members, guys. Okay, so these are retracement levels, okay, and the way how you set these up will teach you guys. So when you want to know what a healthy pullback is, you use Fibonacci retracements, guys. Okay, but that's Bitcoin, guys. 28 viewers, guys. Respect you guys. Thank you for this on this tonight's call. For you guys that hit those profits, congratulations, guys. If you guys are going to continue to trade, again, charts are set up for you. Buy, sell up there. NASDAQ is set up. Continue. NASDAQ is continuing to break. All it has to do is break below 14,929, and we're going to see NASDAQ drop. Gold, real quick, gold. Gold is breaking down, guys. Here we go. Gold is breaking down, okay? Following that head and shoulder pattern, okay? So there it goes. So we had a breakdown, okay? This was where it came down, closed. This is your retest candle, guys, okay? So that's like a sell entry right up there, okay? And look at it just drop, guys, okay? This chart was set up for you guys. There it was, okay? So you're already in profits, okay? Like it dropped from there to there, okay? You're looking at 5-6 pips, but what we're looking for is now we got our side breaking 50, which is nice, but what we need to do now is clear this support level, okay? We need to get this candle break down here, then we're going to see gold come down to 18.10.17 and then down to here. Continue to make lower lows and lower highs, and we could walk this down, okay? Okay, guys, so I'm going to wrap it up. Appreciate you, Merv, for the subscription. Alex J, Butterola J, take nap, then be London session for sure, okay? You know, Alex, what's the plan, okay? So we're just going to roll up, guys, and I'm going to crash for about 3 hours, and I'm going to be back London 2:30 a.m. Eastern. We're going to run it 30 minutes leading into, I'm going to show you guys how the markets move, a few head fakes, how it leads into London, guys. So don't miss out on the London session, guys. It's going to be awesome. Last night was a good session, guys. Okay, guys, so we'll see you guys. Appreciate everybody, all the likes, the subscribes. Thank you. Helps Dave and I with the YouTube, helps to grow the channel. Our goal is 1,000 subscribers. Then we're going to get into scalping 1-minute candlesticks with you guys live. Things are going to get awesome, guys, okay? So thanks everybody for all the subs. George Palace, thank you for the subscription. Appreciate it, bro. And we'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? 2:30 a.m. Eastern, we're gonna do London session. Okay, so peace out, guys. Great call. We got some pips, and we earned a little bit and learned. And yeah, so have a great night, guys. If you continue to trade, you guys got your levels. Okay, so just keep an eye on those, and we'll probably send some follow-ups to the group in the next 30 minutes. Okay, so have a good day, guys, and we'll see you in a little bit. Peace out, guys.